Hey y'all, welcome back to Authentic House channel. Today I'm in Portugal and visiting very first tiny house community. Toni and Anna have been living here for a while and then I'm gonna give a tour of their tiny house on wheels.
Hi, we are Toni.
And Anna.
That's our little garden and our tiny house. Welcome.
And what is that door? It's for the gas.
Exactly, that's for the gas and for the heating for the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's built on a Fleming's trailer, 7 meter 20, 4 meter high, and 255.
And of course we have a big terrace here, as you can see. We can also sit outside and chill a little bit here on the couch as well.
So here gonna be more tiny houses and you have like community?
Yes, we live here in a tiny house community, which is built by Tiny House World. So we have here several tiny houses and we create here a community place and live all together here. As you can see, here is our living room. So we have a lot of space here, a big panoramic window as well. And for the colder days, we also have here an oven where we can heat.
That's Livy, our dog. We live here in the tiny house with one dog. We rescue from the street and 2 cats.
Yeah.
So it's funny.
And the cats.
She's the new one here, no?
She's the new one. Yeah, we have her for 8 weeks now.
Yeah.
But it works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this heating pipe going through the house, it's as well, I guess, getting a bit warm upstairs as well, no?
Exactly.
The
going
pipe
through
itself.
through the mezzanine and then through the roof.
Yeah.
So we have, we can heat up the house in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And
But in
it's always
Portugal
warm.
we don't need it so much, but yeah, it's
Yeah.
possible.
Today
Yeah.
it was on.
Yeah, today it was on.
Here we have a kitchen.
We have here the opportunity to cook whatever we want. We have also a fridge. We have a dishwasher as well. So also a lot of space for dirty dishes. We have here a lot of storage room where we can put all the plates.
Yeah, and I think the coolest of the kitchen is we have windows on both sides.
Yeah.
How did you decide that you want to live in a tiny house? And why in Portugal? You're not from Portugal, right?
No, we are from Germany, but we love Portugal a lot. Yeah, we have more sun, the sea in the near, and we also love the community and the positive energy.
Did you stay somewhere in tiny house before when you decided that you want to live in tiny house?
No. No, that was our first tiny house we see here from Tiny House World, and we live here for 2 days, and then we decide, okay, we want to buy one.
Yeah.
So you like stayed, like rented it for 2 nights to stay
Exactly.
over?
Yeah.
But we had this special feeling from the first moment when we entered the tiny house, and it feels completely warm and comfortable also as well. And we felt the energy that it is the right place for us where we want to live. This is the bathroom. We have here the door for closing also. And when we go in, we have also here a lot of space. So we have here a big shower, rain wash shower also. And also here a lot of space. A normal toilet here because we are connected to the water system as well.
Yeah. So you're on the grid, you have electricity, you have water,
Yes.
you have everything.
Exactly. And our 2 cats, they are sleeping now.
That's the master bedroom.
Yeah.
Where we are sleeping.
Yeah, exactly. So we are sleeping here, and the cool thing is that we also have here a space for working. So you can sit here and you can also work a little bit on iPad or also on laptop, whatever you want to work.
So there is extra bench or it's storage. What is there? What you're sitting on?
Here this is storage, but where I sit is the mattress. This is on it. Yeah. But it's really cool because you have the completely view here and you can work here. Yeah.
Nice. You can watch other tiny houses.
Yeah.
Or there is sunset as well, right?
Or sunset. Storage. So we have here different possibilities.
We have here some
it's very deep.
Technical for the shoes also.
Yeah.
So you have a much of space.
Yeah. So really a lot of space what we can use here.
And what is the height inside? It's very high, like so spacious.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we have here 4 meters.
Yeah.
No, but it's from the ground, from outside with the trailer, no? 4 meters.
Yeah, yes, it's from the trailer to the top, and we have an isolation with the roof. I think 14 centimeters, so 4 meters without.
Yeah, so it's 3 meters inside.
3 meters, 50 or something.
Yeah.
So you have a lot of space also here in the height.
Yeah.
And it's really cool because you have more the feeling that you are in a normal house, I would say, because you have so much space and also a lot of windows here.
Yeah.
And the cool thing is also that we have here a second bedroom. So this could also be maybe a kid's or a child bedroom.
Or cat's bedroom.
Yeah, because now at the moment we use it
as for guests,
as a normal bedroom for the cats. They are sleeping here, but now today you saw that they are sleeping on our bed. And also we have here a lot of storage.
Yeah. So all our clothes are in this storage there. It's enough. We don't need more.
So, but you downsized from bigger place, no?
Yeah. So we live in Germany in a flat from 80 square meters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And was it easy to leave everything behind?
Yeah. We just take the car, 4 boxes, and then go to Portugal.
Okay.
And so we decide to live in a tiny house, and I think it's a decision for the life.
Yeah.
So we don't go back in a bigger house or in a flat.
Okay. Cool. Thanks for showing it around.
Thank you for visiting us.
Okay, thanks for watching. I will leave links from guys in the description below if you want to check and follow them. Alright, see you in the next one. Cheers.
Bye bye.
See you.